Ingredients: 12 eggs yolks, 1 can 370 milliliters condensed milk, 1 can 370 milliliters evaporated milk, 1 spoon vanilla, 4 or 5 spoon white sugar, melted sugar. Prepare water hot in a steamer. 12 egg yolks, 370 milliliters condensed milk, 370 milliliters evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla. Strain para mawala buo sa mixture. If ready, water boiled. Mixture put in molder. Cover aluminum foil. Water ready boiled. Put the mixture. Cook 45 minutes in low fire. Now is done. Unmold LETCHE Plan. Ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.